In this module, you will discover how to install Phoronix Insight Classroom Management on both the teacher and student console. We will explore the Insight Classroom Management application features and benefits. We will also set up a classroom PC layout to view your students' workstations.
Locate the Phoronix Insight product folder location. Click the File Explorer icon located on the taskbar. The File Explorer window will open. Click this PC to view your files. Locate the Device and Driver section area. Double-click on the local disk drive. Double-click on the Phoronix Insight folder and double-click on the Insight file folder. Once the window opens, locate the Teacher MSI file and double-click to install. The Welcome Install Wizard screen will appear. Click the Next button. Read the license agreement that appears, then click on the ISF terms. Click the Next button. On the next window, you will need to enter a teacher channel code between 1 and 16,000, which will allow you to manage the student's workstation or in one-to-one device. Remember to use a unique number for each classroom. If you would like to set any advanced options, check the box to configure advanced options. When you are ready, click the Next. On the next window, you can set any advanced options if needed. Otherwise, click the Next button. The next window allows you to set network control settings such as whitelisting. When enabled, you need to enter SSID in the lower box and click Add. When this is enabled, students will be restricted to only those SSIDs you have allowed them to connect to. When you are ready, click the Next button. The next window allows you to set settings when the teacher becomes a student or when the teacher is remote and updating the students. When you're ready, click the Next button. The security modes is left as is, so click on the Next button. You can allow the report to the center for Phoronix. Click the Next button. When you are ready, click on the Install button. Once all the files have been installed, you can click on the Next button. Congratulations, you have just installed the Teacher Console. You will follow the same steps as the Teacher Console installation. First, you need to locate the Phoronix Insight product folder location. Once the File Explorer window has opened, click this PC icon to view your files. Locate the Device and Drive section and double-click on the local disk drive. Locate your Phoronix Insight folder and double-click. Double-click on your Insight file folder. Locate your Student MSI file folder and double-click. Once the Welcome Wizard appears, click the Next button. Read the license agreement that appears, then click I accept, and click the Next button. On the next window, you will need to enter the teacher channel number you have entered for the Teacher Console. These numbers must match. When you are ready, click the Next button. If you need to make any changes on the advanced settings, go ahead and do now. If not, click on the Next button. Click the Next button. click on the Next button. Finally, when you are ready to install the program, click the Install button. Once all the files have installed, click the Finish button. Congratulations, you have just set the Student Console. We will explore the Insight Teacher Console a little more. On the top left corner, you will notice 7 tabs. Let's review each tab. The Demonstrate tab provides different demonstrating options, such as how to broadcast the teacher's screen in full mode or in a window mode. How you can draw on the screens, show video files, chat, run a program, or start a student machine. Ask students to take a test or create a test, start an assessment mode. The next tab will be our Monitor tab, which provides a teacher with many workstation control features, such as viewing a student's workstation, the internet history, and the student's keystrokes and application history. Our next tab will be our Speak tab. In this option, it allows the audio control with students' workstations and vice versa. The Restriction tab allows the teacher to blank the student screens, restrict web access, and more. For example, limit the applications, limit drives, and limit printing. The Administer tab allows the teacher to manage the students' workstations by powering on or off their workstation, sending files or collecting files. The next tab will be our View tab, which allows the teacher to view student workstations and configure student layouts. They can see them in different versions of thumbnails, small, medium, or large. Our final tab is a help where you can find many useful resources for our students. Now the ribbon provides the teacher with shortcut options of all the most commonly used commands: the Show, View All, Speak, and Shut Down. We will now explore the Class Layout option. This option allows the teacher to create a duplicate seating layout of the workstation. This is a great tool to keep track of the students' computer's activities and students' login information. We will click on the View All option. Select the classroom layout. In this mode, the teacher is able to move all the thumbnails to replicate the seating layout of your classroom. Once you are ready and you have your seating layout, you can lock your layout and save it for future reference. You're able to name your file and save it in a location. Congratulations! This is using the feature Classroom Layout mode. We're all done.